Alright, so technically live. I will just go ahead and go to the page here, and I think I literally got an alert that me. Yeah, look, it alerted me to myself that I'm streaming. That's amazing. I didn't know I was streaming YouTube. Thanks. Alright, so now I'm gonna do a. Oh, not hide chat. I don't need to do a pop out chat because I got the chat on the right or on the left, whatever. Alright, now we wait for people to arrive. And in the meantime, I make some random map or something. Hey, Galaxy Boy, welcome to the stream. Hope you enjoy your stay. Whoa, already people are... Wow, sweet. Notification squad. Dude, Majora Wolf, it literally alerted me. Like, it told me that I was live streaming. That's amazing. Hey, Devin, what's up? Alright, so there are 3 people here. Anyone want anything done? Like, does anyone need to learn how to do anything? Swaggy, can't wait to get MV. What up? Swaggy, just so you know, if you want a tutorial, I can also do one for VX Ace. If you don't have MV and you ask for a tutorial, I can show you how to do something on Ace as well, or XP, or RPG Maker 2003, or whatever RPG Maker. Hey, 8-Bit Star Fox, how's it going, man? Alright, so I need to get rid of the new laptop thing at the bottom. I don't need that anymore. Alright, so anyone wanting tutorials on anything? Hello there, Mr. Gaming. Did you unmod me? Oh, no. I did like this massive unmod thing where I unmodded like a shitload of everyone because, like, everybody was a mod. How do I mod people again? Hold on. I do need to remod you. You are here a lot. There. Now you're a mod again. Wait. I guess I'll just make a map until someone wants a tutorial done. Whatever. Be large, be small, give a crap. That is a very bright green, and it bugs the piss out of me. You know, let's make a desert map. Never make one of these. Hardly ever make any of these. Dude, these little corner things bug me so bad. I kind of need to know how to give an RGB shift filter. What do you mean? I'm so confused by that question. Ugh, what I really need to do is modify the tile set because these sharp corners bug the piss out of me. I'm doing pretty good, Devin. How about you? You doing good? Something that can turn off with switches. Okay, so I see what you're saying. Alright, so let me go ahead and, I'm just going to load up a map real quick and show you what to do on that. Let me, or we'll do it in a cave map or something. We'll do it here. Alright, so I know what you're talking about. This wall has... Try to get your life together? I know, right? So what you're saying is, okay, let's see if I'm right. So what you're saying is something like this. Let's go to, let's use these things as lights. R, stepping, GB. I got a message. That's yellow. It's not green. So yeah, red, green, and blue. Now what you're wanting to do is, if I'm right, have like a switch puzzle, I think. Explain to me like in detail what you want done. If you're talking about the screen being tinted, I can show you how to do that as well. Let me move this thing. It's kind of pissing me off. There we go. I don't know. Okay, what do you mean? You'll DM me? What do you mean? Alright. Let me go to my YouTube messages. Oh, wait, you mean on Twitter. Alright, hold on. Let me go to my Twitter real quick. Damn, I got 3 notifications. Nicholas, thank you for liking the live tutorials video. I retweeted that. Did I miss something? Blue Phoenix. No, you did not miss anything. And welcome to the stream. I'm just basically doing live tutorials. And 8-Bit Star Fox has a rather confusing question that he's going to message me. I think he just messaged me just now. There it is. Oh, Tumblr. What? Oh, ow, that hurts my eyes. You can do something like that in the GIMP. And if you use my plugin, my UPP Parallax Pro, which I can actually give you a link to, where the red and blue kind of shift. Hold on. Are you looking? Thank you, Nicholas. Hey, there's Zenesoft, Seansoft. I apologize for that obnoxious notification sound. You can make it look like an old TV. Oh, you're talking about in-game? That would take a plugin. That's something that's beyond me because it requires knowledge of OpenGL OpenGL development, and I have not dove into OpenGL development at all. The closest thing that I can do is actually no. We can achieve this. We can achieve this. So then, 8-Bit Star Fox. Huh? He plays rolling boulders for the player to dodge. I will also show you this. Let me write that down actually, because I'm doing one right now and I need to. Next, rolling boulders to dodge. To doge! By Nick. Alright, so Nick, if you're still here, then I will do a thing. Alright, so, fuck you, Sony. I remember, because Sony kept crashing and it pissed me off, so I made a file called Fuck You, Sony. Did you make more stuff for ZFX? Just the story part. I'll send you more. I'll send you the story part later here, Deb. All right, so I think I'm in the awesome tutorials thing. So we're gonna open our tile set. This one is the dungeon one. I'm just gonna show you on one of them, so you can do the rest yourself. Okay. All right, Blue. Basically, what we're gonna do is we're gonna duplicate this, and we're going to colorize it, like so. We're going to color it green, like this. Go to Filters, Color. And we're going to... This is going to get annoying. We're going to decrease it by about... Let's do 45. And we're going to shift it 1 to the left and 1 to the upper left. So just click the Move tool. Click here. And then on the green layer, press left 1 and up 1. But you got all the knowledge. No, Blue Phoenix, you got all the knowledge. Oh, good. Okay, Blue Phoenix, wait. What, me? I didn't ask for anything. What are you talking about? Who said that you asked for something? Somebody better not be lying about people. Freaking liars. Alright, anyway, oh. Oops. No. That's right. I'm duh. What am I doing? So now we need to make a red one. I believe that's red. Yes, that's red. Now what we're going to do for this one is we are going to down right. So 2 down rights because we duplicated it from the green one. And we're going to do this one again. And make it look, let's see, hue and saturation. Let's see, colorize. RGB. So we need a blue one now. Now, what we're going to do is a little bit tricky. So this one is going to be up left, up right. Now, I'm only going to do this for one of these images because that's the only, because I don't have time to like do every single one of these. You can get away with this sort of trick by going, by selecting these. And then you want to make sure that you've selected one of the entire things here. I'm just going to use this wall. Wait, what wall is, is being used. Is it? Which one is that? It's the second one. So okay, I'm gonna select the second wall. So I'm gonna make sure it's on the tile here. Everything's selected properly. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna shrink by 1. 8-bit Star Fox. And after you shrink by 1, you're gonna delete on each of the colored layers here. Now, you're not gonna notice it, but wow, that's a lot harder than wow. Huh. I thought you said this would be tonight, not afternoon. Time zones, bruh. And okay, you know what? Let's do this another way, 8-bit. So we're gonna copy this. We're gonna copy. Okay, so we're gonna select the color tool here. We're gonna copy this. We're gonna hold Control press C, paste it on a new layer, like so. Then we're gonna move this. Oh, here we go. Then we're gonna move this up and left 1, like so. Right click, alpha to selection. Right click, shrink, select by 1, and then delete. Now select this little box here. It's not gonna have a checkbox, so it's gonna be weird. And fill the entire thing in with red. Don't worry about how it looks. Now we're gonna do blue by duplicating that layer. Let's do G first, actually. Green. Duplicate the layer again, and then we're gonna do blue. So now we should have like 3 different things. So the blue, we're gonna have at the top right, and the green, we're gonna have at the top, the bottom right. Now you got like these 3 different like puke-looking colors, but we're gonna merge them so we have like 1 layer of these multiple colors here. The concepts are the same. Hold on, wait, what am I missing? Get time zone. The concepts are the same, PS, but the interface is an option. I can't give up. It's all I know. It's good. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna select. We're gonna find a filter like overlay, and we're gonna decrease the opacity to about 55. Now, as you can see, it made it look very well RGB-like. Even down here, you can see how it kind of done the RGB color that the example that you sent me. So now I'm going to replace this, and you'll see that we have something like this sort of colorish thing going on. Now, what we're going to do is I'm going to create an image the same size as the screen. Unless you resize your screen, we're not finished yet, don't worry, 8-bit. Unless you resize your screen, we're going to need to do 816 by 624. And I'm going to keep the white layer for a moment. And we're just going to create a new layer, make it black. Go to Filters, Artistic, I think it is. No, it's Render. Is it Distorts? Okay, Distorts, erase every other row. And we're going to go to Even Rows. And it's going to erase like every other pixel. Like, so you have like these scanline looking things. I could have done it a lot easier, a different way. We're going to decrease the alpha to about 50 or 54 or whatever. We're going to export that into your pictures folder. So IMG, and make sure it's in your pictures. Now, I'm just going to place my character here. Now what you want to do is, you want to do a parallel process, and you want to tint screen. We're going to increase the gray a lot, and we're going to decrease the R and G and B by about 5. So make your color scheme the gray level about 120 or so, the frames 1, and then do not wait for completion. CRT filter, already got that. What? Craig, I'm late and drunk. Go home, you're drunk. Don't drunk, you're home. Lol, just 16 people. Lol, just a new gamer. Alright, anyway, so yeah, wow, 16 people already, so there's 17. Oh my god, thank you guys, holy crap. So anyway, and then we're going to go ahead and show the picture. We're going to do scan lines. We're going to show the scan lines picture, and then we're going to erase the event. Now, as you can see, when we start the game, you know what? Let's go all the way out with it. Let's do the same thing with Dungeon A2. We're going to select the floor, a chunk of the floor, like so. Copy it, paste it to a new layer, like so. And we're going to move it up. And we're going to right click, Alpha to selection. Shrink it by 1 and delete it. Lock in the alpha channel. Ender, you are hilarious, my friend. And what we're going to do is now we're going to do the same thing that we did before. Duplicate. Green. Duplicate. And blue. Now again, the blue is going to be on the top right. And the green is going to be on the bottom right. Like so. We're going to merge all 3 of these layers. Select overlay. Decrease to about 50. And we're going to export this back as A2. And we're going to move it. And as you can see, now the floor is kind of RGB-ish looking as well. And now when we start the game, 8-bit Star Fox, you eat babies, Tikamash. That's unhealthy. That's very loud. You should get that checked out. And there you go. As you can see, you have this sort of CRT-looking filter. Let me disable the music for the title screen, by the way, because that was obnoxious and very loud. And let me do not start transparent. Now, I'm going to open up the actors, and I'm going to do the same thing with the characters, just to show you like the full effect of it. And you are welcome. By the way, if this tutorial helped you, feel free to leave a tip if you can, or support me on Patreon. I would greatly appreciate that. All right, so let's do the characters, and we'll be done with this guide. Actors 1. So the characters part is a little bit interesting. You have to select the border of the character. So what we're going to do is we're going to do alpha to selection. We're going to shrink by 1. And then we're going to hold Control and press I to invert. Now, as you can see, if we can press Control X, you'll see that we kind of cut out the border. So yeah, we're going to copy that, and we're going to place the edges of the characters on a new layer. Now, again, like we did before, we're going to move it up, left 1, up 1. And then we're going to fill it in with red, just like I did before. Copy that. Green. Copy that again. Yes, exactly, as my daughter said, blue. So we're going to move the blue over to the right 2 times. And move the green. What is this stream? When the stream is over, can you possibly make an archive of this? Yeah, don't worry. It'll be saved. So now we're going to merge these layers from the characters here. And we're going to select overlay, and we're going to change the opacity to about 50. Now, we're not done yet, though. There's something else we need to do. We need to select other parts of the character. So, white parts. This is interesting for the players because, okay, so we need to select white, and I believe anything that's close to white. Like so. And we're going to do a blur. We're just going to do a small blur. As you can see, it kind of blurs, obviously. So now we're gonna export. We're gonna export that back. I don't know how else to explain it. It just blurs. We're gonna export that back, and now our characters should also have the RGB color artifact effect applied to them. As you can see here, we have a very CRT look to it, including the characters. So there you go. That is how you make a very makeshift, shitty, like, CRT version of something. Alrighty. Anywho, if you wanted animated, good luck. That's all I'm saying. I got a message. Another message. What the fuck? Hold on, what the hell's going on? I don't even know what's happening right now. Yeah, exactly. Like, you can get the filters and everything, but anywho, next up is the... Wait, what? What am I missing? Hold on. GIMP looks complex. It can be. It can be simple as well. Magic Metal. Holy hell, there is a lot of people here. That is awesome. Gummy Pop. Senpai, I know that I have a new obsession, but do you know Fire Emblem? Yes, I do know Fire Emblem. Fire Emblem is a pretty good series. MS Paint for the win. Okay, I can't even keep up. Hey, Zyle, how's it going? You can probably do a full screen CRT filter with a shader. Exactly. That's what I was getting at. Like, Zyle had this little plugin that that allows you to apply shaders and everything, which is pretty interesting. By the way, Xyle, I've been learning ES6, and I gotta say, dude, yeah, ES6 is the most amazing thing. All right, so rolling boulders to dodge. Let's go ahead and make a map for this. A dungeon. I'm just gonna make like a very crappy makeshift dungeon really quick here. Our RGB artifacted dungeon. All right, so so you're gonna make an event called Boulder 1, and wait, what? But you ain't got bus. Bitch, you ain't got bus. No, sadly, just saying hi while I on the internet. Bus stop. Oh, never mind. That's what you're talking. The man himself. Hello. Hello, Pierce. And to everyone else who I haven't said hi to yet, hello. It's kind of hard for me to. 22 people watching. Damn, you guys are amazing. Seriously, I love you. And yeah, if I'm probably not going to be able to like answer everything, which I hope I can, but like I see this giant list of stuff in the chat. Get spam, bro. Kind of makes it fun, actually. All right, so yeah, we're gonna make a boulder called Boulder 1, and we're just gonna copy a few switches. Boulder 1, explanation mark. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm just gonna have 4 boulders because all you really need is 4, because you can repeat them. But no, what am I doing? 2, whatever. I'll just use the 3, and you can name them yourself if you want. You want? No, it's gonna bug me. 3 and 4. Now what else am I missing? Buffer time. Is it buffering for anyone else? Hold on. Alright, anyways, okay. What was I doing? Oh yeah. So Boulder 1, we're gonna turn the switch Boulder 1 on. We're gonna copy this, paste it, name it Boulder 2. Or Boulder exclamation mark, apparently. First one. And change the switch to 2. No buffers, you're good. Awesome. Good to know. And 3. Boulder 3. And of course, Boulder 4. We're going to change Boulder 4. Now we're going to have a parallel process. And if I remember right, this is interesting. So what we're going to do is, okay, 1, 2, okay. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So between 6 and 11. All right, so what we're going to do is we're going to do controls, control variables. We're just going to need one variable for this part. Boulder location. You might need to look this up again after it's recorded and uploaded. I love your 2 boulders, Craig. Lenny. Degree. My internet was struggling just before the notification. Seems to be doing fine for me now, though. Goody. My brain hurts. Your brain always hurts, Ender. It's okay. So between 6 and 11. So we're gonna make the boulder location between 6 and 11. Now what we're gonna do is actually we need rock Y, I guess, because reasons. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna do set event location boulder 1 equal to the X position is equal to the boulder location. The Y position is equal to 0, which is rock Y. We're going to do the same thing. We're going to copy that, randomize it again, except we're going to change it to Boulder 2. Do the same thing for Boulder 3, and the same thing for Boulder 4. So now, if you see, let me turn on all the switches so you can kind of see what happens. You're going to see something very sporadic here in a moment. 2, 3, 4. So this is just to show you kind of like, I'm actually doing this in a very bad way, but don't worry about it. We'll fix things up. Oh, oops. All right, so this is going to look very insane. You love spermatic things. Damn it! Fuck! I hate doing that. And as you can see, I have to subtract by 1 because the boulders are insanely quickly warping all over the place. Alright, so what we're going to do is we're going to turn self switch A on. Oh, it needs to be between 5 and 10. Oh, not 5 and 0. What? 5 and 10, man. Oh, man. There we go. And I gotta stop my dad from snoring. Hey! No snoring. Just kidding. No, seriously though, if you fall asleep there though, your blood pressure's gonna raise. You know how like that is when you lay there. So for real, like be careful and try not to fall asleep. Alright, anyway, let's see. Yeah, now we're gonna turn self switch A on. And on self switch A, we're gonna have a parallel process. And it's just going to loop, and then we're going to have a break loop. Now, I hear somebody screaming. Oh, let me catch up with the chat. Okay, but you ain't got no brains, bro. Bitch, you ain't got no brains. Oh, wait, you're talking to Ender. Yeah, he ain't got no brains. So, wait, you're Craig, not William? My middle name's Craig. I usually go by Craig. William's my first name. I think I hear your Windows 10. Not again. Windows 10, not again. Wait, what? Not again. Windows 10, not again. Whatever. I got confused by that for a second. I hate Windows 10. My old tablet don't work with it now. I have to get a new one. Oh, that sucks. Just install like Ubuntu Touch on it or something. Before I legit go, join our Discord server. Wow, your boulder are too fast. Degree. Boulder. I guess you could say those boulders are stoned. Hey, you're going to sleep. Alright, anyway, I can't let him go to sleep there because, like, his blood pressure will go insane if he does. Plus, he'll be snoring as loud as possible. Don't send cereal. Oh, no, fuck, dude, not the fucking cereal. No. I'm so glad Devin is not here to send the damn cereal. Did I demod Devin? I don't remember if I demodded Devin or not. Dad, don't laugh now. Come a set of milk in the cereal. Oh, come on, that's nasty. Alright, anywho, enough of being confused and questioning life. Let's go ahead and get on with the tutorial. First, we're going to need to do one thing. What? Oh yeah, conditional. Hey, stop snoring. Conditional branch. No, I'm just playing around with you this time. All right, so we're gonna need player X, player Y, bitch, player Y. Motherfuck. Boulder X. Oh my gosh. And boulder Y. So what we're going to do is we're going to set player X equal to game data. Oh no, Devin, don't you dare. Don't start sending this cereal, dude, for real. Come on. So we're going to set the player X equal to game data map X of player. And set the Y equal to the Y position. Now we're going to do a conditional branch, and we're going to check and see. Oh, wait, oops. We got to do this again. But we're going to set boulder X equal to boulder 1, or boulder exclamation marks, map X. And, of course, boulder Y to boulder 1's map Y. Did I ever change map Y for a player? No, I did not. That would have ruined things. So, player X and Y is equal to map Y, X and Y. Boulder is equal to boulder. Now we're going to do a conditional branch while my dad snores. Gabe's the snore. The technique with the boulders, I'm going to use my player to dodge lasers while I'm... Okay, yeah, you can do the same similar thing with lasers. I actually could have showed you that probably a little bit different, but it'd be a little bit easier. If you get too confused, just let me know and we'll switch things. So we're going to check and see if player X is equal to variable boulder X. and we're going to copy and paste that inside of itself. And player Y is equal to boulder Y. Then it's going to do you or hit. What that means you were hit. Whatever. We're going to do that with each one. So we're going to do that one in the first boulder. And we're just going to go ahead and change the two variables here. Boulder 2x instead. Boulder 2y. And of course, we're going to, all we have to do is copy that again. Do boulder 3. Boulder 3. And of course, boulder 4. Let's do this. And I'll show you how to reset the thing after. Okay, so then, the first boulder, what we're going to do is we are going to have it set the highest priority, and it's going to move at half the 2x slower speed. Let me read the chat. Send this early. I don't know if remember to call it first Instagram. I want to go to Craig. Stop your boulder fetish. Might use this for monster encounters. You do that. Stop snort. Hey, wake up. All right. Anyway, seriously, we're gonna have the movement type custom, and it's going to move down. Repeat and skip if cannot move. And we're going to do the same thing with this one here, but it's going to move at normal speed. And the frequency highest, custom move route, skip if cannot move, repeat, move down. We're going to do the same thing. This one, 2 times faster, highest priority, custom move route, skip if cannot move, move down. And of course, this one right here, custom move route again, move down, skip if cannot move. This one even faster and highest priority. Now watch what's going to happen. By the way, on the second page, we're going to do a parallel process. So what's going to happen is, it should, in theory, man, wow. As you can see, they all, but see, it says you were hit, and then, like, it has to be exactly on. So what we can do, to prevent that, is, what you can do is, the rock Y, or, not that one, the one here, where, the boulder Y, all we have to do then is control variables and subtract boulder Y by 1. Or no. No. Yeah, we do. No, that's what we have to do. Sorry, I got confused. So yeah, we're going to subtract boulder Y by 1 after equaling it to the boulder's position. We also need to do the same thing for player Y. For the player Y, we need to subtract by 1 as well. So if this gets too confusing, though, again, this will be backed up on the YouTube thing. Dude, if you don't stop snoring, hey, wake up, for your blood pressure goes crazy. Girl, set up for something, man. All right. Anyway, let's see if it works. Whoa. Okay, so it's working on some of them, but what am I doing wrong? I'm doing something wrong on one of them. Player Y minus 1. So then it should mean, if it's right on top, boulder Y minus 1, player Y minus 1. But you get the gist of it. You know what? I got a better way of doing this, dude. If you're talking about lasers, right? Rock and fetish and stuff together. I have no idea, Majora Wolf. Alright. Oh, hello there, Luna. Alright, so let's see why that went wrong. That should not have went wrong. It should. But in the Maybe we need to... Why in the world? Okay, you know what? Fine. Let's just make the boulders through. I have no idea why it was doing that. It should have happened upon contact. Or what you can... Actually, what we can do is something entirely easier. I did this in such an idiotic way. Wow. Okay, so let's start over, shall we? This part right here does not even need to be here. Whoa, kind of. I just confused myself. Fuck. I'll just show you how to do it with lasers, dude. It's so much easier with lasers. We were hit. Oh, no. We were hit. Anyway, yeah, now what we're going to do is we're going to do... Okay, the Y position is down here. 13 is the... Or 12 is the highest Y. Alright, so we're going to do something a little bit different. So ignore all of this, actually. So what it should do is it should just... You're still in debt with me when the fudge nipple tossing. So as you can see, all the boulders and everything are falling. Now, what we did wrong is we didn't have to do the loop. So uncheck through, because I'm an idiot. And the trigger will be event touch. And we're just going to have like a cat smiley or something. Got it now. Trigger event touch. Cat smiley. Yeah, let me copy this. Trigger event touch. There you go. Fudge nipples offsets. Indeed. There you go. Trigger event touch. Uncheck through. Now it should work. Freaking A. Now if we get hit by a boulder, oh, you were hit. And now it's going to infinitely do it because we don't have anything that says otherwise. Alright, so anyway, that's how you do that. I apologize for any inconvenience in the mess up earlier. But if it helps, let me know. And that'd be cool if you can possibly throw in a tip or support me on Patreon. That'd be really neat. Be cool. Anyone else have any questions? Or if that did not satisfy you, I can go over that again. Nick, no rush, but do you, oh wait, what? Computer hacking minigame. Oh, that's actually a fun idea. Okay, computer hacking Nick. So, did anyone ask a question before Nick's computer hacking minigame? Because I did not see it. If you're still here, Nick, let me know. And yo, Dev, what up? Clara is pleased. Okay, because for Valentine's sunset? Anyone? Where's the game over screen I'm expecting? Why aren't we dead yet? Like, I asked you to do fudge nipple toss. I don't know how to do a fudge nipple toss. That's way too advanced. That is way too advanced, man. It requires a lot of fudge and nipples. I have neither. Anywho. Anyone has any questions besides Nick? If no, then I will do a computer game thing. No? Alright. Why is my own sounding wrong? I'm not even seeing your shit. Good evening, fellow human beings. I've read. That's all you've posted. Alright, anyway, so I'm just gonna load up a computer room thingy. So put a start position here. And now on the GIMP, we're gonna have like this little, we're gonna make something the same size as the screen, which is 866 by, or 816 by 624, which is the default. And I'm going to make a little digi thing. Because inner scum keeps us alive. Wait, at first I need to make sure Nick's still here. Is Nick still here? How about on knots crosses if you win the minigame? Okay, good. Alright, good. Cool, Nick is still here. Alright, so, I'm going to draw the world's shittiest looking motherboard. MS Paint style. What the fuck? So yeah, pretend this is just some shitty motherboard thing. Brightness and contrast. Hold on. Turn that shit way up. No, what we're gonna do now is we're gonna do a 32 by 32 tile, and we're going to make it black. Right click. Select all. Shrink by 1. Make it green. Make it green. Make it green. Collard greens will make your shit green. Alright. So we're going to do like these little things. You'll see. What am I missing? Okay. Let's see. Let's finish the... Go, Erica. Ready to learn. Just do any random type of Zelda puzzles. Those are fun. They are indeed fun. Make Dwarf Fortress minigame in RPG Maker. You make Dwarf Fortress minigame. I have the worst ideas ever. How about the Nazis crosses when you use the minigame? Why not? Sounds good. Sounds good. What? How dare you? How dare you do that to our motherboard? Sad. So sad. It is not sad. Luna's face is sad though. Until he becomes happy. Alright, so yeah, we're gonna do this. We're going to do some shitty overlay thing. That actually looks kind of cool. Not gonna lie. Hold the fuck on. That shit looks badass. I don't care what the hell you say. That fucking looks cool as hell. Alright, ow. I think I hurted myself. You know, I want to do something cool. Hold on, let me duplicate this. Remove alpha channel. Okay, I need to stop getting distracted, man. Okay, that's badass. Hold on. Let me find the right filter. Oh, what the hell? That looks cool as shit. Make my dick sad. Digimon, Alright, so yeah, we're gonna have this, and it's gonna be a board thingy. Now, the computer hacking part. How do you want the game to go, Nick? Like, what features do you want to be? Like, what do you want from it? Everything is 100% original. I mean, 90% of the rest of this commission is specific for the game. Sweet, dude. Congratulations, 8-Bit. Hope it sells well. What? Bad art, man. Fucking bad art, man, dude. I love bad art, man. Why did you hurt it yourself? I don't know. But I am going to take a drink of my Sprite. Also, if you guys can share this stream really quick, that'd be amazing and super helpful. And I would love you forever. Because of bad dicks. I remember that shit. That was funny as fuck. I accidentally opened up the stream. I accidentally opened the, not the stream, fuck, Discord, and fucking Fear sent the damn fat dick. That shit was some hilarious stuff. Oh, thank you. Yeah, you did. That's right. Anyway, Sean, I'm just gonna call you Sean. Zine Sean. Alright. Anywho, So what do you want the game to be like? Like what do you want to do? Like how do you want the hacking to go? Do you want to like ooh, I actually have an idea. If you don't have any ideas, I have an excuse me. I have an interesting one. So I'm gonna shrink this down to 16. Pictures, enemy board. Zane. Oh, okay. I'm gonna call you Zane. All right. Like Zidane. I also changed my name to Bat Days. What's up, please? Tikamash. Tikamash monsters. Tikamash guardians. All right. So, password guessing. Maybe a microchip slide puzzle. Microchip slide puzzle sounds awesome. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna do this. We're gonna do action button, control self switch, turn A on, same as characters, and this is gonna be a little bit interesting. Viva la Sprite. That was like a mix of Dracula and some like terrible like French person riding a Mexican horse. All right. Anyway, Mexican horse thing came from my front line. It's just randomly came to me. So on self switch A, we're gonna do we're gonna do an auto run, not parallel process, an auto run. Now we need to make a player. I'm just gonna color shift this to red. This is the player. Board player. So you're gonna need 3 images. You're gonna need the enemy board, Nick, and you're gonna need keycard matching, maybe flash drives that contain parts of the password. Oh. Or the pitch for the button. Sweet, dude. Awesome. Okay, so now I'm a little bit confused. Keycard matching, that can be done through very simple things. Why don't I do something better for you? Degree, if you wish. If you want, I can show you a cool thing. If not, then I can show you how to do the basic keycard matching that you're asking for. Flash drives that contain parts of the password. I can show you how to do that as well. But if you want a pretty interesting and fun hacking minigame, I can do that as well. Only came here to say hi. All right, hi, condos, and bye, condos. Fun fact: I haven't cleaned up the bodies from the last month. I already came here. Degree. Fun fact: I was born a baby. I never would have guessed. That knowledge should not have been. You know, that was like top secret. That's disgusting, Luna. Anywho, so then, because of the delay, I'm just gonna go ahead and type it. I just typed it to make it faster because like there's a big delay between YouTube and like the chat and whatnot. Red bean steak province. Stole your car. In lieu after the window. So like they ate Taco Bell and stuck their butt out the window and lewd. It's nasty, man. You're jerking out Craig's window. Yeah, dude, my window loves it. Well, my connection cut out. Oh, dude, I'm sorry to hear that. No, but like, for guys, what you want, man? Or if you're still here. What the? If not, then I'm just gonna move on. I apologize. Nick. Oh, there you are. Show me all of your cool ideas. Okay. Okay then. So, Nick, you will need 3 images. You'll need the motherboard image thing. Make your own if you want, or just steal one from the internet. You will need a small little player, which is going to be a red square in this case, and an enemy, which is going to be a green square. Each of them are about 16 by 16. Oh my gosh. Luna, I don't even know if I get paid for that because I haven't signed the W-9. Because like it's shady as hell. I only sign W-9 forms like from people that I really trust. Anyway, minigame please. All right, minigame. Cool. So what you want to do is you want to make an event, an empty event. Priority is same as characters, and have it turn on self switch A. Make a new event page, and on self switch A, we're going to select auto run. Now we're going to do something very similar to what we did before, but we're going to do show picture. What? Here it is. Show picture. We need the board thingy as picture number 1. Oh yeah, you know we need to make another picture as well. I'm just gonna make a square really quick. You just see some kind of like square thing. Hold on. I'm just going to center this. Or I'm just gonna copy and paste it. So yeah, you need some kind of square thing for the level. Come on. Board square.png. Now, to find the location of what we're going to be needing, we're going to have 5 enemies here. Each of them are going to be 16 by 16. So I'm going to place 5 examples. 1, 2, 3. Hold on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I'm just going to be placing 5 examples on an image that's not going to be exported, just so I can get the Y locations and the X locations. So we know for a fact that the X location is going to be 126, as we can see it down here. It's going to be 126. And the first Y position will be 238. And the difference between this positioning is 27. So this location is 126 by 238. All right, this is important. Now we're going to show the picture number 2 as the board square. And we're going to do center. We're going to center the origin. X and Y is 0. Let me read. Fun fact. Don't fuck with me. Fun fact. People. Whoa. Whoa. I did not know that. Anyways. Each live video have a bird boy. Hey, dude, it does. It really does. Thank you. That's kind of gross. So that's what that was. I was wondering what that was, Blue Phoenix. That's nasty, man. Alright. So yeah, image number 2 is going to be the board square. Now we're going to set enemy positions. So we're going to do control variables, and we're just going to delete all these shits. Actually, no, not all of them, because we do need player X and player Y. But everything else we're just going to delete. So we're going to do enemy 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're going to have 5 enemies. 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, after we create all those different variables there, before we turn self switch A on, we're going to do the control variable parts because oh no, we're going to need X and Y positions. Oh, man, this is going to take a while. X. Wait, what am I doing? We only need 1 enemy. Oh my gosh, guys, I'm so sorry. I confused myself. Okay, I'll go over it again. Just let me do this. Okay, ignore everything I just said so far. Alright. Now, Nick, erase everything that I just told you from your mind. Like, everything. So the first thing you're going to want to do is create 4 images. You're going to need board thingy, board square, board player, and board enemy, or enemy board, whatever you want to call it. You are going to need 4 variables: player X, player Y, enemy X, and enemy Y. Now, to get the location of the enemy placements that you want, hello Yada Shingu, what up? Hemato. No! Bitch. Alright, also hi. Hello there, Ninja Bear. On mark, it's set. We're running the internet. Indeed. Some signs. Meow balls versus normies. Anyway, so yeah. My brain is dead right now. So 126, 238. Huh. Alright, so control self switch A, same as character's priority. And then make a new tab, and then on self switch A, we're going to show the board thingy is picture 1, the board square is picture 2, centered. Now we're going to do loop, and we're going to do control variables. We're going to set enemy X. Damn, how am I going to do this? This is going to take a while, so I apologize. Oh my god, this is going to be hard. Hold on, how do I do this? Okay. So obviously we're setting this to the first enemy. Oh no, we're not using actors, so we need actual enemies. This is gonna be annoying. So, one, two, 3. Yeah, dude, this might be a much more advanced thing than I thought. Do you have any other questions? Because this is a lot harder than I thought it was gonna be. It's not that I can't do it. It's just it would take me forever. But I guess I have no other choice. All right. Well, through the loop, we're gonna control enemy 1. Oh my gosh, this is gonna take forever. All right. Well, before we turn the switch on, let's go ahead and do this. I can't bitch out. I said I'd do it. So we're gonna set enemy 1 equal to 126, 238. Actually, what we could do. Okay, you want to learn something interesting? William, how did you make light and shadow effects in your speed parallax map? The light and shadow effects, that I'll show you that afterwards. Okay, you want to know something interesting? On Y0. I want to see if this works. I just have to see. Because if this works, then this minigame's going to go a lot smoother. Damn it. Yeah, unexpected identifier. Damn it. Okay, so let's try something here. Script. Test equals, TST equals X0, Y0. I want to try something. So, if my doter is mocking me here. If I'm right, variable 1 should be slash B1. What the hell? What the hell? Oh, that's interesting. Anyway, so yeah, I want to see something. If we can create objects like that through scripting, TST is not defined. Huh. Aha! Ahaha! Hold on now. Script console.log TST. I might just go ahead and teach you how to make a plugin, because that'd make this shit a lot faster. TSC is not defined, yeah. Alright, well, Nick, I might have to save this for another time because this one, I can make a plugin for it that would go a lot smoother. but that would still take a lot of time, and so I'll just show you the key card thing. So basically, the or your flash drives. So you have, like, let's say you have flash drive 1, flash drive 2, and flash drive 3. Now, if I'm right, there should be a conditional branch uh, that allows you to check and see if you have an item. Yeah, item is in your inventory. FL1, and then you would do, inside of that, you would do if it has a second flash drive, and if it has a third flash drive. And if it does, you have all 3. And we're going to check else branch. No, at the end we're just going to, yeah, okay, so if you have it all, then you have all 3. What? Oh, well, yeah, sorry, we don't have the items. But yeah, if you have all 3 of the items, then it'll succeed. That's how you do something like that. But yeah, I do apologize for messing that one up. I thought it would be a lot easier, but it would take a lot of time and different variables and different conditional branches and everything, and it would take like maybe an hour to set up. But if you have another question, I will answer that one as well. So anybody else have any questions? Anyone at all? Just let me know. Do Michael Ross mini games. Yes, I like Sword Art Online. It's good. What are Michael Ross mini games? I want to be on your laptop. No. I want to see puzzles, but I can't think of any law. Puzzles. Okay, I have a question. Do you know auto update map in Zelda? I was struggling to do that in MV. Do you have any tips on make item notes after after new info was gained by the players? What do you mean? Yada, can you please like describe? Because I'm not familiar too much with the Zelda games. Like I know of them, but I have not played them. I can probably show you a puzzle. I just gotta think of a puzzle. That's the problem, thinking of them. I don't. What? By the way, this is what I linked you to on Steam the other day. Zelda games or Micro games. Use items to solve puzzles. Yeah, pretty much. Like, I know what it is. It's just I'm not familiar with what you were talking about by what Yada was talking about. Is Yada still here? All right. Hold in a second. Not WebGL. 3D modeling is WebGL. Oh yeah. That's right, dude. That would be really cool, Zyle, if we could pull that off someday, or if you could. Oh, Joe, you're way faster, but the goal is canvas only support. MV uses pixie.js, Luna. It's kind of weird. Okay, since he's not here, would you play my RPG Maker game? It's in beta form. Give me a link. Sorry, dude, but not right now. I won't use gifts as battlers. That's unfortunately cannot be done. Not easily, anyway. Okay, how about this? Yes, Zine. MV is USOGL available, but it's not. It's slower canvas. Did you make it? Yeah, I agree. It is kind of dumb. It needs to just use WebGL. But then again, at the same time, like a lot of older computers and stuff like don't support it properly. So, how do you enable the use of GIFs to the battlers? Unfortunately, the way the 2D canvas works, importing a GIF is, I believe, impossible. What are you talking about? You're talking about the headphones? I have an extension over here if you want to do it that way. I really don't. Pretty clever, actually. It lets them support mobile phones. How do you enable the... Okay, right there. I want to have herbs that grow back over time using Terex sliding day and night system, depending on when you pick them, they grow back the next day or a variable time. All right, I can show you the variable time. Let's set up a very ghetto farm. I'm just gonna make this like really crappy ghetto farm. Okay. So to make this happen, hold up. You wanted a farm system. When you pick it, it grows back. All right. So I'm just gonna show you with one of them. You can do the same thing with more if you want. We're gonna have a variable. We're gonna erase all the other variables called plant, and you can name it whatever else you want for each plant. You can uncheck this. I just need you to name a variable. All right, so this needs to be below characters, and let's give it a seed graphic, like this, the rocks. Let's go to common events, and we're going to select the trigger as parallel, and we're going to select a switch. We're going to name the switch crop 1. Or if you have multiple crops, just name it crop, and you can do this with all the crops as well. You can do conditional branch if let's say you're planting a carrot. Carrot 1, we're going to create a carrot 1 switch. If carrot 1 is on, then we're going to add a variable. Let's just call it plant because it's the one. Carrot 1. We're going to add it by 1. This is going to happen no matter what map you're on. Now what we're going to do is we're going to say if we're going to do a conditional branch if variable carrot 1 is equal to, if you want to, let's see in seconds calculator. Let's say it takes 10 seconds. That's 600. So 600 because 60 FPS. So if carrot is greater than or equal to 600, we are going to do control switches. We're gonna create a switch called carrot 1 complete, and we're gonna turn that on. All right. If you want, you can just let this keep counting up, but otherwise, you can do another conditional branch and say if carrot 1 is less than or equal to 600, then you can add it by 1. So yeah, it should look something like this. Whoa, there's a bunch of people in the chat. Hold on, there's a lot of shit happening. I am missing a lot. I have to go. All right, bye, Chikamash. Every 10 minutes and a hair come back memes. Huh. I don't know, Majora. Because it's my stream, dude. It's like full of memes. Okay, so I need to send you to the corner. Behave. Behave, Lerna. Stop abusing your powers. Alright, anyways, so yeah. Then we're going to copy this event page here. And we're going to do switch. Carrot 1 is complete. And my dad just sharded. Again. Oh, damn. Anyway, that's what I was saying. Oh, God. Alright, so the carrots right here. All right, so below characters, these carrots have to be the same as characters. Holy fucking shit! And I'm so distracted right now. So action button, we're going to control switch, and we're going to turn crop 1 on, or carrot 1 on. Was it carrot 1 or was it crop 1? What was the switch? It was crop 1, so we need to turn crop 1 on. Speaking of crop, my dad just about cropped his pants. Anyway, then as you can see, this you can do. You got le carrot, and then you can give yourself an item, and then we're gonna do control switches, turn crop 1 off this time, but also do control variables. We're gonna set carrot 1. We're gonna set that equal to 0, so we're gonna reset it. So let's say you plant some carrots. I'm just showing you like a very basic way of doing it. Oh, what did I miss something? I forgot who even asked this. Sorry, somebody called me earlier. What I wanted to create is like a notebook that a player can add info and then look whether they need it. Oh, something like that. I can probably make a plugin for that. Be interesting. Alright, so I started it by activating it. It didn't say, but you'll see in 6 seconds here, it'll turn into a pile of carrots. No? No? Really? No? No? What? Crop 1 is on.
Terrible carrots.
Yeah. Hold up now. What the hell? It's not even being added. Did I not activate it?
There's not taters.
What the hell? I don't even have any. I'm not even using any plugins. What is going on? Like, why is it having an error? I'm so legit confused right now. Hold up. So a crop 1 is being turned on. This is a parallel process. Oh, carrot 1 needs to be on as well. Oops. That's why. We need to turn carrot 1 on as well. So this is how you do one crop. This is a very bad explanation. You know what? This was a horrible stream to begin with. So now it's on, and in 6 seconds it'll become carrots.
Not taters.
No, not potatoes. It does look like fucking potatoes, though. There you go.
Like trees.
You got a carrot. And I have to turn the other switch off as well. Mini games. You know what? My brain hurts, man. I've been streaming for over an hour already.
Big ass carrots.
They are some big ass carrots. Switches, carrot 1. Turn that bitch off as well. And that's how you do that. Alright, you know what? I'll do another one of these streams in the future. Prepare some questions because my brain will be much more rested next time. I've been programming in ES6 all day. And it's been very complicated. Matter of fact, the flash drive's right here. I can actually show you some of my code if it doesn't crash my computer somehow. Alright. Zyle, since you're still here, I want your opinion. Since you're like the all-knowing programmer, I'm just gonna open it up in I'm just gonna open up in Notepad++. This isn't it. Let me just close out of all this shit. Let me just close out of all this. Hold on. No. Get out of here. Alright. Yeah, I would like your opinion on something. What the hell? Hold on. JS main. I would like to know what you think of the way I'm coding things here. It looks a lot better in another program. Hold on. You know what? Let me open this up on Carrot, because it's easier to see. Alright, this is not it either. Let me open it up, though. This is my old-ass file. I'm still learning it. Like, I've been learning for the last 2 days. I was just introduced to it, like, a couple of days ago. To where, like, as a mainstream thing. But as you can see, like, I love ES6. Like, here's how I'm handling the viewport. Let me zoom in for you a little bit here. Frame rate and everything. I actually have a working. You don't want to know. You don't want to know. So anyway, yeah, I have like this useless comment thing here. I just thought it looked cool, so I was bored as hell. Anyway, ES6. It is the best thing that I've ever used in my life, and I cannot wait for RPG Maker to handle ES6. I can't wait for Node.js to update because, like, that's gonna be so damn amazing. To make a scene happen, like, all you have to do is something simple like this. Function my scene. Excuse me. Hold on, let me actually run this. Let me run this so you can see what it does real quick before I end the stream. Just G. What the hell? Having an error. Hang on. Oh, no, I'm not. I just need to modify the HTML file. Hang on. Give me a dang second. I forgot that I changed something. This is a bad way of doing it, but whatever. Oops. Oh yeah, sorry. I was testing some download file stuff. But as you can see, I have a thing going on here with the S6. My own little engine. The text has a shadow, but you can't see it. Not engine, more like a little play thing. I agree. Like, it's very fresh. Yes. You can make constants, Luna. For example, here I played around with the math function because I was lazy. I didn't feel like typing math dot. I made some constants up here at the top. Hold on. See? And I made a new function, degrees to radians. I don't even know how to code total blur information. I have like these standard things here. Get element. And here's the viewport setup. And I love ES6 though. Like, it's so clean and easy to use. It's, I don't know. It just feels it's great. I love it. Anyways, I'm ending the stream now, and I will see you guys later. Thank you all so much for watching. Peace out. As soon as I can find OBS, which apparently I cannot.